Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you run field service business like plumbers, electrician or HVAC pros, things can get very crazy. So you need to manage your job, customer, invoice, tool and parts. That's why Commusoft is here. It is an all-in-one platform that helps you to stay organized and work faster. In this video, I will show you what Commusoft does and why it's a great choice in 2025. Let's start with the first key feature, job scheduling. You can use a drag and drop calendar to plan jobs. Just pick a time, pick a tag, and drop the job in. Commusoft helps you to match the job with the right person by location, time, or skill. And next is customer and asset management. You can save all info about your customer, service history, install item like ACs or boilers. This helps tech be more ready and give better service. Next, invoicing and payments. After finishing a job, you can make a professional invoice, which is super fast. You can even accept online payments. Commusoft work with QuickBooks and Xero, so your accounts are all in one place. That means less paperwork, faster money, and no stress. Another cool thing about is the mobile app. Tech gets all the job info on their phone. They can fill the form, take photos, get signature. No more paperwork, so that's a great deal. The office and tech team stay in sync always. So why is Commusoft is great? Because it's built just for field service work. It helps team to do less admin and more real work. It goes with business and fits your workflow. It's cloud-based and mobile-friendly, so your team can work from anywhere. You also get strong reports, customer portal, tools that connects to other apps. All this help you to stay in control of every part of your work. So Commusoft gives you job scheduling, customer info, invoices, mobile tools. That means better service and faster billing and very easy teamwork. So if you are just starting out or ready to upgrade, Commusoft help you to take control in 2025. That's for it this video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.